Doing a nose slide, as you approach it, you want to be coming in at a pretty decent angle. Give it a little hop and land onto that nose. So again, foot in the pocket, coming up at an angle. Give it a little hop and turn and try to ride it. I'm still learning these. That doesn't mean I can't teach you guys how to learn them. You're going to slide a little bit. Your front foot is going to be in that pocket. This one's kind of just a guide. You want to have all your weight over this front foot. Knees bent. Go in that direction. There's a few different things you can do to get out of this nose slide. The first one is come to a stop and go directly away from it. But that doesn't look too smooth or stylish. So what you want to do, A or B, you want to either shift your weight that way, basically getting the wind up as you're coming to your stop. You get your wind up, get light on it with a little hop, and kick this back foot out this direction and roll away in fakie. Now, another thing that you can do to get out of this, you might find a little more difficult. Pop out this direction and land back in regular. I still have not mastered this one, but simple drills like getting your weight distribution and your footing correctly and just practicing like I am right now. So you want to do your slide, and before you come to the stop, your foot is already moving in this direction. You're light on this one. This one's really just guiding the board. You're not really putting any weight on this. So you're going to kind of give it that little hop. Use that back foot to aim the board. Kind of like you want to have the toe hanging slightly over the edge of your board up here by the bolts. And you want to scoop it. And of course, roll away this direction. Practice slow. You don't always need to get the slide right away. Sometimes you're just going to come straight to a stop and stall. Sometimes you're going to go over your trucks into almost a board slide. And then sometimes you're going to actually get it. And you're going to capture that feeling and be like, dang, that's how easy it is. I could have been doing this the whole time. So even if it's ugly, even if it's not going your way, just try to roll away. Because in the end, it's going to help you with your balance. It's going to help you when it comes to trying to figure things out on the fly. You don't always have the time to be thinking about exactly what you're going to do next. And sometimes what you're planning to do next doesn't work out the way you wanted it to. So you have to be able to adapt. Stay on the board and get back in it. So that is my tip on that.